Welcome to an undisclosed location. Have you noticed that your DeWalt 5 amp batteries are failing sooner than they used to just a few short years ago? The reason is simple. With these newer XR 5 amps, DeWalt are actually stealing from you, and I do have proof. Please watch this video to the end. This might be the most important DeWalt battery video I make in this channel. Up until about a year ago, any 5 amp DeWalt XR batteries that came here for repair were no younger than 4 years old. Since the release of these newer XR 5 amp, that has all changed. I've been repairing batteries for quite a number of years now, and I've noticed quite recently that these have quite a suboptimal failure rate. It's gone a lot higher and a lot younger. This one has failed at 2 years old, and this one didn't make it to its first birthday. That, ladies and gentlemen, is quite suboptimal. As the de facto power tool battery doctor of the internet, I spend an unhealthy amount of time staring at the insides of batteries. So once they start coming in with a 2025, last year's date code, it's time for me to investigate what's going on. To understand what's going on with these batteries, I have to do a side-by-side comparison with this 2016 model and this 2025 model. This one's got a different font than this one. I like the upgraded font, I must admit. And this one's got lithium-ion right there with that and has nothing there. I must admit, I do think that is cool. That doesn't tell us much, it just tells us that they made an attempt to make the outer packaging a little bit nicer. And DeWalt, if you're listening, in that respect, I would say you have succeeded. But before we start popping the champagne, I am in fact going to show you how this is all fur coat and absolutely no knickers. In order to do that, we have to do two things. Take the lids off the batteries and blow the lid off DeWalt's bullshit once and for all. Let the autopsy commence. So we're going to start with the 2016 battery here. It's got a little basic circuit board, functional, did the job, no problem there. Moving on to the 2025 battery, you'll see it's got a much different looking circuit board than the older model. It's much larger, much more sophisticated looking. Many people with good technical know-how out there will tell me this is much better than this. And you could well be right, but I'd be the type of doctor that says, if it ain't broke, why fix it? To further the investigation, I've removed both batteries from the casings. Hold on to your pantyhose, here comes the big reveal. So here goes. Here's why your newer battery is failing more often than the older ones did. These older batteries had 18650 Samsung 25-hour cells on them. The newer one, however, has got these Eve cells in them. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is suboptimal. What makes the Samsung 18650 25-hour cell exceptional and above all the rest, in my opinion, is it strikes the balance so well between capacity and output, and they really can put up with a lot of abuse. That's why the 18650 25-hour is the go-to 18650 cell for power tool use. 25-hour Samsung cells have been used in Makita, Milwaukee and DeWalt 5 amp batteries for years and have been terrific. Also, you will see these LG from time to time, must be when there's a shortage of these, but these are also acceptable. I cannot say the same, however, for these Eve cells. If you Google Eve cells, you will find that Google will say Eve cells are professional grade and suitable for power tool use. But if you read a report that I'm going to link in the description of this video and pinned in the comments section, you might think again. Panasonic, Murata and Samsung have high quality control, and in this report you never, very rarely see a Samsung, Murata or Panasonic cell that goes faulty. Some of these other brands have quite a high failure rate. And dare I say it, some safety concerns. To prove the point that Eve cells are suboptimal, I'm going to show you the volt check of these cells in the pack. 413, which are fully charged. Until you come to the end, That cell failure should highlight to you what I'm trying to tell you is absolutely correct. This battery has suffered catastrophic cell failure in less than a year. DeWalt would likely replace that under warranty, but since the warranty here is only a year, if it's 2 years old, you've absolutely no chance. In comparison, my 2016 one is still alive and well. If you have noticed, like I have, these have quite a high failure rate, and if you also notice some performance issues, please get in the comment section of this video. Please watch this whole video, share this video, get this video out there. People have to know that DeWalt have started to screw them over. If you've disagreed with anything I said in this video, please get in the comment section also. But based on my battery knowledge and with the research that I'm going to link in the description and the comment section to back it up, I know DeWalt are now selling you a substandard battery for a premium price under a professional label, and I think that's wrong.